So here we are going to start terminating a vertical leveler with a pit restraint. So here's all the cables needed for that. It's going to terminate into our input, our power, and our output PLC edge board. And then we have our power in, we have our DC voltage, and then we have our door controls, the stop, start, and close, and then some grounds. We have the outputs to our the vertical leveler, and then also the restraint hydraulic pumps, which are located below. So this is the vertical leveler control hydraulic pump, and then this is the restraint hydraulic pump. These get controlled by power cords. There's some 12-4SJ. I'm sorry, this is SO cord because this is rated for 600 volts. This is 480 volts. So this is SO cord. So this is going to be for the pit leveler. The pit restraint. I always say pit leveler and restraint. There's so many different ones. And this is going to be for my vertical leveler. These are the power. These are going to terminate into these contacts. We have our limit switches for the respective limit switches, and also solenoid controls for the hydraulic pumps. There are 3 solenoids for each one. So this is for the pit restraint, and this is for the vertical leveler. This is a high pressure switch, cutoff switch that comes to the this is the pit restraint high pressure cutoff switch. This is the proximity switch for the vertical leveler. On the opposite side of this is a proximity switch. There's 2 of them. There's one here and there's one here. This is my door push buttons, because this is all touchscreen. So instead of open, close, stop, it's going to be built into the touchscreen. These are going to get terminated here. This is my indicator, my external indicator light. It requires a black, green, and red. The green is not grounded, it's for the green light. And the newer ones come with a plus 24 volt, and it actually looks like this. So you can actually have one of these outside instead of a traffic light where there's a separate red and green light. This unit has the red and green light. Here's my incoming power. I've got larger conductor, brown, orange, yellow, 480 volt. That's going to terminate here. We have a disconnect on the wall on the back side. Transformer. We have some fuses. We have another PLC I/O card transfer system. And you can see how many cables are needed for a vertical restraint. And this is the first position, and we'll work on this one next. You know, I got these are pretty cool. I got this at Cooper Electric Supply. I think it's made by Caddy. It's a really tough polymer, and it gave me a nice pattern to run the flexes up. And I just mirrored this, and I used it to drill the holes in the bottom. So I really like this. I'm glad I found that. Caddy's got some great stuff. Okay, follow up later.